Today we are going to discuss how to create the student database in Python using the library called pandas. So first of all, we are going to import the library. That is import pandas as pd. So now the libraries will be imported. So now we are going to print some welcome message at the top of the database, that is print welcome to CC student database, and we are using backward slash, which will give the space or gap between the next line. Now we are creating a dictionary of called student data. Students data is equal to open curly bracket. So now in dictionaries we are going to create some keys, uh, that will be name, USN, same marks and grade. So we will create first keys, that is name, and we will be giving the names in the square bracket. We will be giving around four names, that much is enough. So next we are going to give comma, next, that is USN, comma, next is SEM, next is marks, and next is grade. So here in name sections we are going to give some around four names. That is Rahul, for example Rahul, comma, Anish, comma, Nikhil, comma, and Akash. So here are the four names. So we are going to give some USNs respective to their student's name, respective with their student name. So first USN is 1BE, and G1 is 0, 7, 0. Next, we are going to copy this USN and paste it. We'll change the USN at the last, because all the USNs are same, only last three digits are different. Next, so second USN is 008. Third USN is from 22-year batch, 2022-year batch. So we will change, that is 408. language. So these all students are from 5th sem. So we are going to give 5. Space 5, space 5, space 5. So we are going to use some random marks for them. So based on the grades, first is 85, second is 90, third is 78, fourth is 88. So based on these marks, we are going to do some grades that will be followed in double quote noted commas. That is first one is A, comma, A plus A plus. So we are going to place it A plus. Third grade is B for third student. Last one is A. So here we are going to use the data frame to convert the dictionary into data frame using the following line. So there students underscore df data frame that is equal to pt dot data frame, and then we are going to do the students data. It will convert the given information into the table form. We'll get the data in table form. It is nothing but database. So at last print students frame. So now we are going to print. Let's check it's working or not. So we are going to run this code. It's saying invalid syntax. We are going to check the code once again. We will connect to the internet and check once again. We are going to run the code once again now. Syntax error. let's copy this code and we will try to run this code in Jupyter. Let's see. Copy. So in VS Code something error is there. We have copied the code from VS Code. Now we will try to run this code in Jupyter Notebook. So let's paste the code. So we will try to run this. Yes, it's working. So we are getting the welcome message, that is welcome to SVC student database. Though we have given here print welcome to SVC student database. So it will give the names, that is Rahul, Anish, Nikhil, Akash and their USNs, and in which sem they have passed out. So marks and obtained grades. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.